Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 8 free Android app you will want to install in 2025. So I'm going to start with the list of the 8 Android app that you will want to install in 2018. So the next in line is launchers, which is a minimalist launchers that replace the traditional apps drawer with alphabetical list, offering a clean and intuitive navigation experience. So finally, this line also is number 2, which is the Moon Reader. It's also an excellent ebook reader that supports various formats like EPUB. We found another one which is MOV, which is protect the readings on the go. You can also get Share It as well, which is it's one of the powerful file sharing apps that allows you to transfer file in between the devices. You can also go for Google. Google is also popularly known. You can also get Truecaller just to detect spams and all of those on phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, you can follow for more. Thank you.